Coronavirus 2019-2020, or the new name COVID-19. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna talk about the protection against coronavirus, especially using a specific disinfectants. Hey, I'm Dr. Ahmed Galal. I'm Associate Professor of Pharmacology, Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, Cairo University. As you probably heard, there is an outbreak of virus called coronavirus. This virus started in China 2019 and spread to the number of countries including United States. We can say, according to the WHO, that around 14,000 cases all over the world, causing 3% mortality rate up till now. This virus mainly comes from animals like bats or any wild animal, and it must be mutated to transmit to human. So it means it should be mutated inside the cells to be transmitted to another cells. Then it can be spread easily from human to human. We have several steps to protect ourselves. We can avoid crowded places and also avoid traveling if not necessary. We can also avoid sick people, especially those suffering from fever, cough, and sneezing, to avoid exposure to the droplet particle of the virus, as the virus can live inside it for many days. So we need to avoid surfaces, door hands, and so on. The next thing that we need to do is using disinfectants, because hand sanitizer may or may not do anything because it is antibacterial, but disinfectant can complete the job. Glutaraldehyde and quaternary ammonium compound, both considered as a potent disinfectant that can be used to disinfect surfaces, equipment, wastewater treatment, fogging and cleaning of poultry houses. The benefits of using this combination are fast-acting, effective in soft and hard water, and with organic matter. This combination has a lipophilic biocidal action due to quaternary ammonium compound and a hydrophilic biocidal action due to glutaraldehyde. So this combination considered as a typical synergistic action. Another benefit for using this combination is that each one has its own mechanism of action. Quaternary ammonium compounds denaturate the cell protein that affecting the metabolic reaction of the cell and allowing vital constituents to leak out of the cell, while glutaraldehyde inhibit RNA, DNA, and protein synthesis in the microorganism. Both can be applied as surface spray, foot and wheel dabs, fogging of poultry houses. Again, using of disinfectant as ultraxide and ultraxide plus is better than using hand sanitizers to ensure bactericidals, virucidals, and fungicidal mechanisms. By the end of this video, I wish you all the best health and wellness.